What's the meaning of chastity belt? Chastity belt. Chastity belt.
Chastity belt. Chastity belt. A chastity belt is a device historically used to prevent sexual intercourse or masturbation. It typically consists of a belt or harness that locks around the waist and often includes a shield that covers the genitals. The purpose of the chastity belt was to ensure fidelity and control sexual behavior, particularly in women. However, there is debate among historians as to whether they were actually used as commonly as popularly believed. Today, chastity belts are primarily associated with sexual fetishism or BDSM practices.